Still juggling jobs, schedules, and payments separately? Imagine one app that unites all your field service tasks. Service Hub is built for real teams needing everything in one place. Schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, and track progress in real time effortlessly. Manage inventory and accept payments with just a few taps. Technicians get a mobile-friendly experience, even in remote locations. This means they stay productive and update job info on the go. Managers see real-time insights into jobs, costs, and team performance. This instant visibility lets them make smarter decisions faster. Say goodbye to piles of paperwork and wasted travel time. Jobs finish quicker, and customers receive better service. One of the biggest perks is getting paid immediately after the work's done. Whether you're in HVAC, plumbing, or electrical work, or any service company, Service Hub helps your team work smarter and grow. Ready to transform your operations and boost efficiency? Visit servicehub.app today and discover the difference.